Exosomes are a type of extracellular vesicles secreted by the cells. They are very small in size, typically around 30 to 150 nanometer in diameter. So they are rich in biological molecules, for example, like DNA, RNA, lipids, and also proteins. Exosomes are known to actually involve in many aspects of physiology and diseases, including intercellular signalings. So the exosome carries the biological molecule and transfer them between the cells. Clinically, actually exosomes have been actually tested as a therapeutic agents to treat a myriad of diseases, and also actually as a vehicle to deliver the therapeutic agents such as drugs. In addition, exosomes also have been used as a biomarker for disease diagnosis. In the earlier days, researchers and clinicians are focusing on the applications of stem cells for disease treatment and also for regenerative medicines. However, recently there's a paradigm shift as stem cells and extracellular vesicles have been found to have similar therapeutic potential in treating certain diseases. Just like the stem cells, extracellular vesicles or exosomes, actually they can promote cell proliferations, cell migrations, angiogenesis, and also reduce the inflammations, reduce the tissue fibrosis, reduce the oxidative stress. Thus, actually, all these characteristics render the exosome as a potential therapeutic for regenerative medicine applications. Clinically, actually, exosomes have been tested, and in the last 10 years, the number of clinical trials and research using the exosome have been increased tremendously. Although actually most of the study is still in the phase 1 and phase 2 trial, exosomes have been used actually for the treatments of diseases such as osteoarthritis, graft versus host disease, autoimmune disease, and very recently also for the treatments of COVID-19. There are a lot of differences between the exosome therapy and also the stem cell therapy. Unlike the stem cells, actually exosomes are non-living vesicles secreted by all types of cells. Basically, actually the use of exosomes actually has several advantages, including it has no ethical issue, it won't be rejected. In addition, because of its small size, it can cross a lot of physical barrier, for example, like the blood-brain barrier. And exosomes actually can be bioengineered to carry specific biological molecule for therapeutic applications, be produced in large scale for off-the-shelf applications. And the storage of exosome is also easier compared to the storage of stem cell. With CytoHealth, currently we have planning for projects to characterize the microRNA cargo of exosomes secreted by mesenchymal stem cells culture in different cultural conditions. And afterwards, actually, we will use the bioinformative tool and also the functional assay to examine the functionality of the cells and also the therapeutic potential of the exosome. CytoHealth is actually a young company, but however, actually I have been known actually some of the researchers in CytoHealth for some time already. And we have collaborations together, and they always show very high desire to do the fundamental and also translational research. And hopefully in future, actually we will have more collaborations together, including our publications, which we have published several papers together so far.